Welcome back. Today we'll be looking at this cutting mat from Daiso. We won't actually be cutting anything, but we'll just be looking at it. I wanted a new prop for my lazy product reviews, and I thought this would be a good little thing to place products on, such as this Mario block placemat for a cup. So, yeah, it's from Daiso. Daiso Australia. You can tell by the price, $6. And if you peel it off, you can see the original Japanese price of only 200 yen. This has a 300% markup in Australia. 3 times the price. Yippee! Australia tax. All right, let's open it up. Ooh. I guess we just kind of go here. And we just, pull it out. Let's see, does it slide around? It kind of slides around, which, I'll be honest, if I wanted a cutting mat, I wouldn't want it to slip and slide very much. That's not ideal. But, yeah, it really does slide pretty easily, so that's not actually ideal. But it does suit my purpose of having some sort of, background for my videos. That I can place things on, and you can get a general scale of how big they are. So that's that. This is the Daiso cutting mat from Daiso Australia. I guess if you're in Japan, you can get the same exact product, and maybe in the US too. I don't know. It's a Daiso product. I like their stuff. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more lazy reviews on this channel. All products are fair game.